Alright guys, I am doing a room tour of Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Independence, Ohio. I am currently on a work trip, and this is the shot from walking right in from the door. You've basically got a living area. This couch pulls out into a bed. And walk over here. You got a little desk with some chairs. You have this giant TV. I mean, how sweet is that? That's huge. Also what she said.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
And then you will look out here. This is actually inside the hotel. The inside, that's like the lobby down there. We are on the 5th floor. I've got a couple of coworkers staying in some other rooms on this floor with me. I am in room 511. So I'm gonna walk around here. You've got your microwave down here, your little refrigerator, a sink, coffee maker, ice bucket, all that kind of stuff. Here's the other side of the desk because there's another chair over here, an actual little rolly chair. And you got this nice, cool mirror. Hi. Here is the huge bathroom. Actually have Neutrogena products instead of just some cheapy rinky-dinky stuff. Hi again. Nice big old bathroom, big old shower. It's really nice. And then here is the king size bedroom, I guess. Another big old TV. Not quite as big, but still pretty big. Lots of mirrors. Lots of mirrors. Nice little place to do makeup. I plan on using that. You've got a fairly decent view. It's very nice and green. I love that. Topgolf is literally right over there. So if you are a huge golfing fan, you're going to love that.
Golf clap? Golf clap.
But yeah, I mean, you got a closet over here. It's got an ironing board and some hangers already in there. I've never been in a hotel like this. Oh, and it's got a safe. I forgot about that. And another mirror. Hi again. But I've never been in a hotel like this before. I'm pretty excited to see how this goes. I mean, it's a lot of room, a lot of area.
Look at all this floor space.
So
We
much,
do aerobics in here.
so many activities.
Do step class.
It's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
So here we are.